Imagine you get up in the morning whenever you want to, not because an alarm clock went off, but because you're ready to begin your day. You get out of bed and prepare a wonderful cup of coffee. You read the newspaper or get some stretching before sitting on your computer to plug away for a few hours and make substantial money while still wearing your pajamas. Working from home has become the new preferred method of employment for many people. If you want to work from home, you might wonder what high-paying jobs are. Don't worry, as we've got you covered. This video features 12 high-paying work-from-home opportunities available right now. Let's get started. Number 1. Software engineer. Average salary, $120,000. Software engineers employ their creativity, technical talents, and software engineering concepts to help a business solve new and continuing problems. Inquisitive individuals with outstanding problem-solving and analytical skills would be ideal for this job. If this sounds anything like you, then you should go for the opportunity. A software engineer is an IT professional that designs, develops, and maintains computer software for a business. They write code in the different programming languages, systems, and architectures. Many courses and boot camps can help you learn needed skills in as little as 6 months. The amount of salary that they receive is enough to keep motivated. Number 2. Graphic designer. Average salary, $50,000. It's an excellent online career that could perfectly match you. To become a graphic designer, you need specific abilities such as attention to detail and creativity. Many businesses require the design of logos, websites, and visual advertisements. Graphic designers oversee project aesthetics and ensure that all media matches project content. They consult with customers and employers to evaluate their requirements and objectives. They also use cutting-edge design software to create and finalize projects. Their purpose is to fascinate their audience while assisting in the layout and production. The more expert you are, the more clients you will likely acquire by word of mouth. Number 3. Virtual assistant. Average salary, $75,000. To work as a virtual assistant, you must be proficient in a variety of computer tasks. You should be able to find work if you're good at Facebook marketing, Twitter growth, web development, video editing, logo design, engaging with Instagram followers, editing blog entries, rocking Pinterest, or translating articles. If you have abilities that could be valuable to online businesses, we recommend approaching them directly first. Visit your favorite websites and identify areas for improvement. Perhaps their Facebook profile isn't active, they shoot bad images, or their articles contain grammatical faults. Once you've identified a few areas for improvement, you might contact them directly. Make sure you don't come across as snobbish and inform them you could assist in improving these parts of their business. If that doesn't work, you can join services like FlexJobs, Solid Gigs, Upwork, and Fiverr, and post your profile there to find work. Another possibility is to look for Facebook groups in the niche you wish to work in. If the admins allow you to advertise in the group, you might post that you're seeking virtual assistant jobs. List your skills and you'll most likely get some responses. Number 4. Copywriter. Average salary, $56,000. Bloggers, freelance writers, and copywriters have worked from home for years. It's not a job that usually requires working in an office, so what's stopping you if you have all it takes to be a perfect copywriter? The question is, who is behind the copywriting? Copywriters are those who have been taught to design words in such a way that they will connect with the target audience and move them to action. Copywriter writes content for websites, blogs, articles, advertisements, social media posts, emails, posters, billboards, guides, case studies, white papers, and more. They utilize writing to engage impact and persuade audiences. The objectives can range from increasing brand recognition to closing sales. Number 5. Blockchain developer. Average salary, $130,000. Did you know the blockchain market will be worth more than $39 billion by 2025? Blockchain developers are in high demand since they work with cutting-edge technology. As a result, there are numerous job opportunities in the industry. Developing abilities in a rapidly evolving technology will help you stand out as a job applicant. The good news is that many blockchain developers are paid very well. Do you know what it really is? Blockchain development is building, maintaining, and designing blockchain applications and systems. The smart contract is an example of creative blockchain development. Smart contracts, like traditional contracts, are written agreements between two parties. Additionally, smart contracts are programs that are also stored on a blockchain. These programs are only activated when both parties agree to the terms and conditions. This automated compliance ensures that a contract is carried out correctly in real time. Number 6. Financial manager. Average salary, $103,000. As a financial manager, you must be great with numbers, able to cope with complex modeling and analysis, and have a solid understanding of financial systems and procedures. Managing finances is at the heart of all significant business decisions. Planning a budget is essential for both the short and long term, and businesses need to know the financial results of each step before moving forward. Also, work must be done to ensure that all laws and rules set by the government are followed. Financial managers' roles differ considerably in larger corporations, where the function is more involved with strategic analysis. While in smaller organizations, a finance manager may be responsible for account collecting and preparation. Number 7. Social media manager. Average salary $56,000. Suppose you're a social media expert who can rapidly and successfully grow a social media follower base from 0 to thousands. In that case, you could be a good fit for a social media manager position. It is a rapidly expanding and rewarding career. Social media managers assist businesses in developing their online presence by adopting marketing strategies, creating high-quality content, and communicating with the audience. Writing, proofreading, graphic design, and knowledge of numerous platforms and tools are all required for social media administration. As businesses reach out to more varied audiences, they must be able to scale their marketing to meet these demands. The average income for a social media manager is $56,000. However, this does not include senior positions like campaign management, which can pay significantly more. Number 8. Online tutor. Average salary $53,000. Consider becoming a tutor or online teacher if you are highly talented in a profession and enjoy sharing your knowledge. You can teach almost anything, such as managing an e-commerce business, programming language, affiliate marketing, or graphic design. You could also take a more traditional approach and teach a language. There are no precise requirements to become a tutor. Still, you must have several years of experience in the subject matter you teach. Number 9. Software tester. Average salary $92,000. Software testers use manual and automated software testing methodologies to perform functional and non-functional testing. Tester checks software for bugs, faults, defects, or other issues that may impair the performance of computer software or an application. They often have a solid understanding of software quality testing tools and procedures. The software tester guarantees that the program functions as planned and is user-friendly. Number 10. Market researcher. Average salary $56,000. Market researcher evaluate data and write reports based on the findings to generate proven suggestions for the client's benefits. If this sounds like a curious person like you, then you should certainly give this a shot. Market research is an essential component of modern corporate strategy. It systematically collects, records, and analyzes data about consumers, competitors, and the market. It can assist in developing a company plan, launching a new product, fine-tuning existing ones, and expanding into new markets. Companies can learn more about their present and potential clients by conducting market research. Number 11. Video editor. Average salary $48,000. A job as a video editor can be an exciting opportunity for people who are tech-savvy and have an eye for both the broad picture and the finer details. However, video editing, like any other career in the entertainment sector, is complex and challenging. Video editors cut footage in creative, amusing, and visually appealing ways. They employ their creative and technical skills to select which edits, audio, and graphics best represent the narrative of a video and translate the director's vision into a finished film. While becoming a professional video editor takes years of experience, you can learn the fundamentals of these programs in a matter of months. It's also critical to keep up with the latest technology breakthroughs to stay competitive. Number 12. Life insurance agent. Average salary $54,000. A career as a life insurance agent is not for the faint-hearted. More than any other element, life insurance agents must have a battling spirit, including education and experience. They must be adrenaline seekers who regard rejection as a stepping stone to eventual achievement. A job in life insurance sales is not for people who are timid, soft-spoken, or frightened of conflict. Many agents begin with a small salary but rely primarily on commissions from sales, which can be quite significant. This one is the last on the list and offers a competitive salary while working from home. A remote job is the ultimate aim for many. With plenty of opportunities on the internet, it feels like a waste if you aren't getting online work right now. These high-paying online jobs are some of the best options to start if you want to work from home. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you or someone you know wants to quit the 9-to-5 grill, escape the office, and work from a laptop while at home, please share this video. Remember to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching The Growth Mindset. See you in the next one.